Hey guys, just wanted to go over my gear for my motorcycle. We'll start with my helmet. For the helmet, I got the Scorpion XO 1100 Jag High Vis. All these have been ordered from Revzilla. Helmet was $260. Then moving down, I got the Icon Sanctuary High Vis Jacket, yellow. That was $300 from Revzilla. And I got the Icon Overlord Resistance High Vis gloves. Those were $75. Got the Fly Illuminator backpack High Vis, $80. And for my shoes, I got the Alpinestars Faster Waterproof High Vis. Those are $180 from Revzilla. All the shipping was free. I have tried the helmet. It is amazing, comfortable, quiet. Good quality gloves. As far as the gloves go, you can see the mesh is a little brighter yellow. The leather in the middle around the knuckles is a little darker, but the more light hits it, the brighter it looks. I've worn those on a ride. They're pretty comfortable. I'm pretty excited to try out the backpack and the shoes. As you can see, they definitely stick out in light there, so we'll be giving those a try here shortly. As far as high vis goes, I think it's the best option. Some people don't like it, want to go all black. You know, it's your life, your choice. I've been riding for a few months. I had a Ninja 500 prior to this, and it took maybe a few months before somebody hit my dad on Easter last year. Driver was uninsured and my insurance covered it, which is all that really mattered. But yep, he was an uninsured motorist, hit my dad, didn't care about it, thought it was funny, whatever. Medical bills came out to $16,000 for my dad. So if you ride, make sure you have uninsured motorist insurance. And I'll be doing a review again with how these work out on the street. Eventually get a GoPro. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, post them below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down. Any questions, just let me know. Thanks.